Hi, I'm Vanessa and I'm a teacher. This easy construction bauble pack makes great take-home Christmas tree decorations that their families will love. To make it, you'll need a bauble pack, felt tip pens, sticky tape, a pair of scissors, a glue stick and some string. Cut 3 strips from the template. Place the strips in a star like this. Use sticky tape to secure around the centre point. Bring 2 opposite ends of the strip together to form a ring. Secure at the top with tape. Repeat this with the remaining strips. Colour in and stick on the eyes, nose, wings, antlers or any other accessories onto the bauble. Cut some string and tie around the bauble. And now, it's ready to hang.